Amazing! This is SirBas of SirBas TV. In our last video, we discussed the different layers of the atmosphere. In this video, we are going to explore the greenhouse effect and global warming. Are you ready to learn? If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like, share, and comment #AgAmazing. Let's go! In our last video, we learned that the Earth's atmosphere is divided into different layers and is made of different types of gases. More than 3/4 of Earth's atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, while 1/5 is oxygen. The remaining 1% is a mixture of carbon dioxide, water vapor, ozone, and other trace gases. These gases not only produce important weather features such as cloud and rain, but also have considerable influence on the overall climate of the Earth through the greenhouse effect and global warming. Have you ever seen a greenhouse? What do you think is the reason why farmers use this structure? A greenhouse, also called a glass house, is a structure with walls and roofs made chiefly of a transparent material such as plastic or glass. It is useful in growing seedlings when it is winter or spring before planting them in the open field when the weather is warmer. In tropical countries, greenhouses are used by commercial plant growers to protect flowering and ornamental plants from harsh weather conditions and insect attacks. Greenhouses allow sunlight to enter but prevent heat from escaping. The transparent covering of the greenhouse allows visible light to enter without obstruction. It warms the inside of the greenhouse as energy is absorbed by the plants, soil, and other things in the building. Air warmed by the heat inside is retained in the building by the roof and wall. The transparent covering also prevents the heat from leaving by reflecting the energy back into the walls and preventing outside winds from carrying it away. The Earth's atmosphere is compared to a greenhouse. But why? Like the glass in the greenhouse, the trace gases in the atmosphere have a similar effect on the sun's rays. They allow the sunlight to pass through, which results in the warming of the Earth's surface. They also absorb the energy coming from the Earth's surface, keeping the temperature suitable for life on Earth. The gases that trap the sun's heat in the atmosphere are called greenhouse gases. Examples of greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, water vapor, and nitrous oxide. The process where greenhouse gases trap the heat in the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. This process makes the Earth much warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that make the Earth a comfortable place to live. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth would be very cold, too cold for living things such as plants and animals. Indeed, the greenhouse effect plays an important role in our survival. However, due to the different activities of man, more greenhouse gases are emitted into the Earth's atmosphere, which results in an enhanced greenhouse effect. In the enhanced greenhouse effect, due to the high presence of greenhouse gases, more heat is trapped and reflected back to the Earth's surface. The enhanced greenhouse effect can lead to global warming. Global warming describes the current rise in the average temperature of Earth's air and oceans. It is said to be global because all living things around the globe are affected by it. The largest source of greenhouse gas emissions, particularly carbon dioxide from human activities, is burning fossil fuels for electricity, heat, and transportation. Carbon dioxide is also emitted into the atmosphere through deforestation, land clearing for agriculture, and degradation of soils. In addition, agricultural activities, waste management, energy use, and biomass burning contribute to methane gas emissions. Fertilizers used by many farmers is the primary source of nitrous oxide emissions. Industrial processes, refrigeration, and the use of a variety of consumer products contribute to the emissions of fluorinated gases. Too many of these greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat, increase air temperature, and cause global warming. Such a global phenomenon is feared to melt polar ice caps and cause flooding to low-lying areas that will result in a reduction in biodiversity. It is even feared that global warming is already changing climates around the globe, causing stronger typhoons and creating many health-related problems. Hence, we need to do our part to save our planet from the adverse effect of global warming. In our next video, we are going to discuss the different common atmospheric phenomena. See you on our next science lesson. Amazing!